Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the fascinating world of cloud and DevOps. In today's video, we will dive into the question of why cloud or DevOps engineers should learn Linux. Let's get started. Linux is an essential skill for cloud or DevOps engineers, and here is why. Reason number one, prevalence in cloud environment. Linux is the most widely used operating system in cloud computing. Whether you are working with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, chances are you will be interacting with Linux-based system. Having a strong understanding of Linux allows you to navigate and manage these cloud platforms effectively, leveraging the power of Linux in your cloud deployments. Reason number two, automation and scripting. DevOps engineers thrive on automation and scripting to streamline their workflows. Linux provides a robust command line interface and a vast array of powerful tools, making it the ideal environment for automation. With Linux, you can leverage the command line utilities, write shell scripts, and utilize automation frameworks like Ansible and automate deployment, configuration, and management tasks. Reason number three, flexibility and customization. Linux offers unparalleled flexibility and customization options, allowing engineers to tailor their infrastructure to meet specific business needs. By understanding Linux, DevOps engineers can optimize their infrastructure, work with infrastructure as code tools like Terraform, and utilize configuration management tools like Chef or Puppet. Reason number four, troubleshooting and debugging. Inevitably, engineers encounter issues and bugs during their work. Linux provides extensive diagnostic and troubleshooting capabilities. In Linux, you have access to comprehensive logging, system monitoring, and debugging tools, allowing you to effectively troubleshoot and resolve issues in your cloud or DevOps environment. So there you have it. Learning Linux is crucial for cloud or DevOps engineers. It gives you an edge in cloud environments, enables automation and scripting, provides flexibility and customization options, and equips you with powerful troubleshooting and debugging capabilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting cloud or DevOps content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve deeper into the world of cloud or DevOps. Thank you for watching and happy learning.